This Pypes cut and clamp X pipe is an excellent option for 2005 to 2010 Mustang GT owners looking to enhance exhaust flow, improve performance, and add an aggressive exhaust note. If you're looking to get a more refined yet race-inspired sound while optimizing your Mustang's exhaust efficiency, this X pipe is a great way to bring your exhaust system to life without needing a full header replacement or other major modifications. This X pipe is designed to replace the factory H pipe, offering better exhaust scavenging and improving flow compared to the stock setup. The X pipe design promotes a smoother balance of exhaust pulses, resulting in increased horsepower and torque while enhancing that throttle response. One of the standout benefits of this setup is going to be a more aggressive, raspier exhaust note, giving your Mustang a higher pitched growl reminiscent of classic race cars. Pype constructs this X pipe from high quality 409 stainless steel, making it highly resistant to corrosion while maintaining structural integrity. The mandrel bent tubing ensures smooth exhaust flow with minimal restrictions, helping your engine breathe more efficiently. This system is designed to work with the factory aftermarket axle back exhaust systems, giving you flexibility in your build. Now, as far as pricing goes on this setup, it's coming in that lower 200s price range, which is a nice price point for the improved exhaust flow, improved exhaust note, and the performance benefits that this can provide. This is a direct bolt-on replacement for your H pipe and reuses your stock cats, meaning no welding is going to be required, and this job is going to take you about 2 hours to complete, so we're giving this a 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, since you do have to remove that factory H pipe. Now, let's see exactly how this process goes with an install video from one of our AmericanMuscle customers.
These are the tools you will need for the job: a paint marker, a ruler or tape measure, 13mm socket, 1/2-inch socket, a ratchet, a sawzall, possibly a grinder, jack and jack stands.
Okay, so the first step is I put the pipe underneath, the other pipe underneath the car, and I measured with a ruler as to where to make my cut. Alright, you take your sawzall after you've made your measurement and you cut through the pipe as straight as you possibly can. And do the same thing to the other side. Alright, so the 2.5-inch clamps, or band clamps, for the back of the H pipe to come off are 13mm nuts, and then you will just unbolt these, all four, 2 for each side, and then the clamp will come off. Unfortunately, mine are so rusty that I have to take other means to get them off, but that's exactly what you have to do. After you get the clamps off with the band clamps in the back, the pipe should just fall down, and then you just push it out of the hangers, like so. And then it'll fall off. Move it out of the way and get ready to install the new one. So, you're gonna wanna, once you get the X pipe slipped on to the existing pipe behind the catalytic converter, you're gonna wanna put the band clamps on. I had to get new ones because these are rusted. And just tighten them up, put the 2 pipes together, put the band clamp over, tighten it up just like this side. And then you're going to want to put the 2-inch clamp, or the 2.5-inch clamp that is supplied by the manufacturer up on here. Okay, you can stop. I'm going to put those on next. So. Now I can grab it. There we go. That's on. Putting the other clamps on. Now, once your band clamps are on the back, you can go ahead and put the clamps that Pypes provided right in the front here. Clamp it down. And you'll be using a 1/2 inch socket for this one. And you do the same thing for the other side and you're done.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Pypes Cut and Clamp X Pipe for the 2005 to 2010 Mustang GT. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.